Today is Saturday. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. It is a perfect day.
Mom, what are we doing today?
Today is picnic day, Tom. We are going to the park.
Picnic day! Yes, Anna, wake up. We are going on a picnic. Tom, stop shouting. I am already awake. Sorry, Anna. I am just very excited. Me too. Mom, what will we eat?
We will have sandwiches, fruit, and juice. We leave in 1 hour. Go and get ready. I will wear my yellow dress today.
Dad is already outside. He is cleaning the car.
David, we leave in 1 hour. We need the picnic basket, the blanket, and the food bag.
I will finish the car in 10 minutes. Then I will help you pack.
Tom, carry the juice bottles. Anna, put the fruit in the bag. Which fruits are we taking? We have apples, bananas, and grapes. I love grapes. Can I eat one now? No, Tom, we will eat at the park. Okay, I will wait. Now let us check everything. Sandwiches.
Check.
Fruit bag.
Check.
Juice bottles. Check. Blanket.
Check. Dad, do you have the ball?
Oh, the ball. I will get it. One moment.
Hurry, David. We are almost ready.
Found it. Let us go.
Yay, now we can play at the park.
Is everyone ready?
Ready.
Let us go.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Dad, how far is the park?
About 20 minutes from here.
Look, Tom, I can see the river. Wow, it is so big and blue. That is the city river. The park is just next to it.
And flowers. Mom, look at the flowers.
We are almost there.
Here we are. Everyone out.
Wow, the park is so big. Look at all the people and the dogs. Let us find a good spot. There, under that big tree. Perfect! I will help spread the blanket. Pull this side, Tom. Got it. There, it is flat now. Now let us put the food in the middle. I am already hungry. Tom, we just arrived.
The drive made me hungry.
Me too, actually. Okay, 1 sandwich each and juice for everyone. This sandwich is so good. Mom, you make the best sandwiches. Thank you, my love.
Mom, can we play with the ball now?
Yes, stay where I can see you.
Come on, Anna, Dad, play with us.
Of course. Let us play together.
Come on, have fun.
Dad, kick the ball to me. Here it comes, Tom. Got it. Anna, over here.
I got it. Mom, catch.
Oh, I missed it.
Mom can play too.
Wow, Mom kicked it so far. Mom, I am thirsty.
Come and sit. Drink some juice. Look, Tom, that dog is coming here.
Oh, it is so fluffy and white. Thank you. Enjoy your picnic. Come, Biscuit.
Bye, Biscuit. I want a dog named Biscuit.
Tom, our fish is enough for now.
Mom, I am a little cold. The wind is coming.
You are right. Let us pack up.
Already? I do not want to go home.
10 more minutes, then we pack up.
Okay, last race. From here to that bench. Ready, set, go!
I am winning!
No, I am faster. I won. I touched the bench first.
Good race, Tom.
Time to go. Good teamwork, everyone.
Mom, today was so fun.
I love the food and Biscuit and the ball.
Can we come back next Saturday? If you are good this week, yes.
We will be very good, promise.
We will be very good. Promise.
The family drives home. Tom closes his eyes. Anna smiles and looks out the window. Mom and Dad hold hands.
This is a good day. This is a happy family. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.